Hi, my name is Victoria George and I'm from Melbourne, Australia. My love for the stock market led me to my journey in trading. So I studied technical analysis some years ago and love reading the charts. And after investing and buying and selling shares, I decided to give trading a go. Just over a year ago, I enrolled in my first course, and that was the beginning of a turbulent and stressful journey for me, to say the least. I found no consistency in my trading. Sure, I had some wins, but I also had some big losses. And I found I was consistently chasing my losses and trying to recoup the money, which only led me to more losses. I found I was just constantly chasing anything I'd lost, and it was just leading me to, more and more loss of money and income. So after a year of trading, 3 courses, and thousands of dollars later, I was ready to give it all up actually and take a break. But then I came across WB trading. I was hesitant at first, given I tried 3 courses prior, but the technique actually intrigued me. And it after watching it, and I actually decided that I'll research mechanical trading because I just wasn't sure about it. So after I did do a bit of research, it did spark my curiosity, and I thought, okay, I'm going to take the plunge and enroll in my 4th course. And I can honestly say to this day, I have never ever looked back. At present, I implement 2 strategies which have worked extremely well for me, and I'm slowly building my account again. I have also started a demo account where I'm using all the strategies I have learned and implementing them just to take note of my trading behavior and what works for me, as well as collecting data. So the importance of structure and consistency, collecting, building, assessing trade data, as well as backtesting is so vitally important in establishing a successful trading career. And WB trading has taught me that and so much more. And I'm so grateful because it has already changed my life in such a powerful way of trading, yet so simplistic. My goal in 18 months is to trade full-time for a living, and with WB trading strategies, I'm absolutely positive I will do that. The thing I have to say about mechanical trading, it is the most clinical and automatic way to trade. It takes all the emotion out of trading completely, and honestly, I couldn't be happier. I don't stress or have the need to constantly watch the charts now. I actually have peace of mind. I can sleep better at night. So if there is anyone out there who wants to literally get off the hamster wheel of trading, I highly recommend joining WB Trading. It's only the beginning for me, but already I can see my trading and my mindset have changed dramatically. I can't recommend it highly enough.